Helpful information regarding affiliate programs. What to look for when joining an affiliate program. One of the most important things to look for is the conversion of the publisher. You don't want to sign up for an affiliate program if the publisher is not converting well, as you will not be able to make any money that way. The other thing to do is to do some research on the publisher, see what they are selling, maybe even try the product if not too expensive, and always check the Alexa rating. These things will arm you with good information to determine if this is a good program to get involved with. Want to make big-time money on the internet even if you don't have a product to sell? Well, tap into the power of affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Basically, affiliate marketing is a method of promoting web businesses in which an affiliate is rewarded for every visitor, sale to a publisher's site, according to Wikipedia. The benefits of affiliate marketing are twofold. The affiliate makes money from advertising the publisher's products, and the publisher generate more traffic and money based on the amount of affiliates he has. What do I do after I join an affiliate program? The first thing to do is decide how you want to market your affiliate program. Sometimes you will run across affiliate programs just in your random browsing of the internet. The best way to get information on affiliate programs is to check with a company that deals with affiliate programs on the regular. These types of sites are better because most of them provide you with the linking code, banners, text links, etc., to aid in your marketing. The most important task in internet marketing is search engine optimization and submission. There are some quality directories and search engines where you can submit your website. By submitting your website to the quality directories, search engines will be able to find your website. Another way to bring visitors to your site if you do not want to wait for your search engine rankings to improve is with pay-per-click. Using this method will attract visitors right away. With pay-per-click, you bid for ad position near the top of search engine results and pay for each visitor that click through to your site. Webmasters can spend a lot of money using this method and only make a few sales. Be careful to avoid services promise to submit your website to 75,000 search engines. They often submit your website in such a manner that may result in your website getting permanently banned from search engines. Only do business with services that submit your website to quality web directories and major search engines. Many internet companies can have thousands of affiliates generating sales or even get all their business in this manner. It costs you nothing up front. All you need to do is recruit affiliates by submitting the program to directories or websites that list affiliate programs. Places like forums, message boards, or other places that are visited by webmasters that may be looking for extra revenue. Many internet companies can have thousands of affiliates generating sales or even get all their business in this manner. It costs you nothing up front. All you need to do is recruit affiliates by submitting the affiliate program to directories or websites that list affiliate programs. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe and like. For more information, please visit the link below.